This is about 1:30 in the morning, the day after Christmas. Just got to my house from my 4x4. Here's a shovel. Yep, that's just the snow today. Probably good 8 inches, maybe 12. Don't know. Still snowing and blowing. Many roads in the highway are closed. Oh my goodness. Some of the drifts are knee. There's actually some drifts here that are in fact waist deep, but not here at my house, or at least not that I can see. Anyway, so yeah, I got about 1,000 pounds in the back end of my 4x4 sandbags. Anyway, here it is. Ciao.